So the tree ADT and scheme is basically going to be reusing lists and creating trees from them that basically look like this mess that I've got right here. Now, if you're this far along in your program, you kind of understand that, hey, there's going to be some type of pointers that's pointing to a datum, which is the first item in the list. And then if there's any kids, it's going to have representation of, well, being able to link to another list. So think of this as list within a list within, yeah, that's true, really. Really, I'm trying to draw it out so it looks nice and you understand what's going on behind the scenes. But you should be able to understand this from your data structure experience or anything else like that. Now, I'm not in particular making a binary search tree or anything of that nature. I'm just creating trees in Scheme using the lists like I just told you about before. There's two parts of this. The first part is actually building the sucker so that we can have data in there. And you're going to see all the code on how to do this here in a little bit, so bear with me. But then the second part is actually how do we go ahead and go through and display or gather information from the tree. That's really part two. But so far what I'm showing you right now is how we would build the tree. And again, I'm showing you full code for that here. And the next slide or two will be a link, and voila, there's the code in front of you. Thankfully, code is, well, it's Scheme, but it's not super crazy. That's good news. But here comes a deadly cuss word. Recursion. You're gonna see recursion just like you saw it in your data structures courses for trees. You're gonna see the exact same thing for trees in Scheme. We just can't avoid it. It's something that, because a tree is a redundant data structure, you're gonna have recursion. That's the only thing that you're gonna have to walk over when we get to that challenge. So this is the overall setup that we're going to have for building the tree. This is what it's going to look like, and we'll get into more details of that here in a moment.